Hi guys, welcome to my channel Reviews with STAAAA. So today what I have for you is a tutorial on how I made the box braids on my head. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe, comment and like this video. I know this is not a book review that I normally do. I just wanted to do something different and spice up my YouTube channel. So because this is the rubber band method, I'm going to first line my hair and fixing the rubber band before I start to braid. So at this point, I could not do it. Like I could not line my hair without checking the mirror. So I stood up from the camera and tried to do it with the mirror in my office, and yeah, I did some, and I'm just showing you how it came out here. So since it's a tutorial to show you guys how I actually achieved the lining, I decided to do it like to show you guys the front. And since I could see the front of my own, like the back of my head, I used a mirror facing me to line it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Thing is this, I enjoy making hair for other people, but if I try it on my head, it's always like an issue. I always do rubbish. So this is like a first time thing, and it was very difficult because I could not see the back of my head. No matter how much I tried to do it through a mirror, or it was just so difficult, but I enjoyed the experience. The next thing I did was to use my hair cream to grease my scalp to make it shiny. The next thing I did after that was to just use a got-to-be gel to like let the brushes, the part that the rubber band is holding down for me, to use the got-to-be gel to hold it down and make it look sleek. So at this point, I already braided the back loop in front of the mirror because, like I said, I can't see the back of my head, so I had to do that. And then face the camera to do the middle and a part of the front. And right now, I'm just showing you how I braided it and how I joined the knots together. So yes, this is the finished look, and I liked how it came out, even though I think I could have done better if I was like doing it on someone else's head. Like half of the time, my arms were paining me, and I was just like try to stretch it out. It was just stressful, but I don't think I'll be trying it again because I hate the fact that my arms were paining me. But yeah, I enjoyed it. It's a good experience. It was a good experience from Anna, and it came out perfect. I liked the way my natural hair looked sleek. When it got to be gel working, it's magic. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. You are most appreciated for watching this video. Like and comment and subscribe.